morning to my lovely petans. I hope you all are fine and safe at your places. This is your mathematics class and I am your mathematics teacher. Dear kids, as we are dealing with chapter 5 subtraction and we have completed activity 1, 2 and 3 in our maths book and notebook. So today we will do activity 4 of chapter 5 subtraction in our maths book. So please open your maths book and come, let's begin the class. This is our activity 4 of chapter 5 subtraction. First question is subtract. Here beta, numbers up to thousands are given to us and we need to subtract the given numbers, right? So the first rule of subtraction is always start the subtraction from the right hand side of the numbers, means from the ones place digit. We always need to start the subtraction from the ones place digit, right? So the same we will do here. Now here it is given 8 minus 5 means we need to subtract 8 from 5. Yes beta, we have studied this thing that these numbers which are at different places, these numbers are friends, and whensoever a number is in problem, so the other number which is the friend of that number helps that. So now 8 cannot be subtracted from 5. That means 5 is in a problem. So 5 will go to its friend which is 4 and 5 will ask for help. So what 4 will do? Yes, 4 will help 5. As if you will forget someday your pencil, eraser in your school. So what you do? You ask your friend that can I please borrow a pencil from you, can I please borrow an eraser from you, and what your friend does, he or she helps you. In the same manner beta, the numbers which are at different places, these numbers are also friends, and whensoever a number is in a problem, so it goes to the second number and the other number helps that number. Now 5 will go to 4 and will ask for help. So what 4 will do? 4 will give 1 from itself. So when 4 will give 1, then what 4 will become? 3. Right? Now 4 has become 3. Now beta, here the thing needs to be understand that what 4 has given to 5. See, at which place 4 is? 4 is at tens place. That means 4 has given 1 10 to 5, and which place 5 is? 5 is at ones place. So 1 tens equals to 10 ones. We know that 1 tens equals to 10 ones. That means 4 has given 10 ones to 5. Now earlier there were 5 ones. Now 4 has given 10 ones to 5. So 10 plus 5 is 15. So 5 will become 15. Now 8 can be subtracted from 15. 15 minus 8 is 7. So we will write here 7. Now beta again 4 cannot be subtracted from 3. So what 3 will do? 3 will go to 4 and will ask for help. And what 4 will do? 4 will help 3. Now beta, see, at which place 4 is? 4 is at hundreds place, right? So if 4 will give 1 to 3, then 4 will become 3. Now 4 has become 3 and 4 has given 100 to 3. And beta, 100 equals to 10 tens. Now 4 has given 100 to 3 tens. So earlier there were 3 tens. Now 10 tens more 100 has given to them. So 10 plus 3 is 13. So this 3 will become 13. Now 13 minus 4 is 9. So we will write here 9 here. Now 3 minus 3 is 0 and 3 minus 1 is 2. So beta 3445 minus 1348 is 2097. Right? In the same manner beta, you need to solve parts from B to L of question number 1 in your book. Now beta, what is our second question? Second question is find the difference of. We need to find the difference of the given numbers. Two numbers are given in each part, so we need to find the difference between these two numbers. Now A part is 4352 and 5020. Here beta, first of all we need to identify that which number is greater. And how we identify which number is greater? Right, comparing from the left hand side. Now see, if we will start comparing these two numbers from the left hand side, so here first digit is 4 and here first digit is 5. So which one is bigger? Right, 5 is bigger. That's why 5020 is bigger than 4352. That means we need to subtract 4352 from 5020. Now beta, question number 2 we need to do in our notebook. So please open your notebook. Yes beta, first of all write down today's date here and today's day here. Then write down CW, classwork, chapter 5, subtraction, activity 4. Question number 2, part A, 4352 and 5020. As we have already compared the numbers and we know that 5020 is greater than 4352. So now the second step is make the columns. So both the numbers are having 4 digits. That means we need to make 4 columns, and that are ones, tens, hundreds and thousands. Now 5020 is greater, so we will write 5020 first. As beta, I have told you we need to write the number from the starting from the ones place digit always. So 0, 2, 0, 5. Now next is 2, 5, 3 and 4. So beta, in case we need to take borrow, so we will make these circles to write down the numbers again. So now we will put sign of subtraction. Then we will draw lines and now we will solve it. Yes beta. Now at ones place digit, yes, we always need to start our subtraction from the ones place digit only. Now beta, 2 cannot be subtracted from 0. So what 0 will do? 0 will go to 2 and will ask for help. So 2 will give 1 to 0. That means now 2 will become 1. And now beta, because 2 has given 1 tens, which is equal to 10 ones, so it will become 10. Now 10 minus 2 is 8. Now beta, again 5 cannot be subtracted from 1. So what 1 will do? 1 will go to 0. But here 0 doesn't have any number to give to 1. See beta, फ्रेंड्स ऐसे भी होते हैं जब वो खुद अपने फ्रेंड की हेल्प ना कर पाएँ तो वो अपने दूसरे फ्रेंड के पास जाते हैं और उससे हेल्प लेते हैं ताकि वो अपने फ्रेंड की भी हेल्प कर सकें. सो व्हाट 0 विल डू, 0 विल गो टू 5 एंड विल आस्क फॉर हेल्प. देन 5 कैन हेल्प 0. सो व्हाट 5 विल डू, 5 विल गिव 1000 which is equal to 10 hundreds to 0. So 5 will become 4 and 0 will become 10. Right. Now beta, earlier 1 was gone to 0 and has asked for help. So now because 0 is 10, so it can help 1. So 10 will become 9 and 1 will become 11. Now 11 minus 5 is 6, 9 minus 3 is 6 and 4 minus 4 is 0. That means the difference of 4352 and 5020 is 668. So here we will write our answer 668. Right beta, in the same manner you have to do from part B to H in your notebook. Today we have done activity 4 of chapter 5 subtraction. So your homework is to do question number 1 of activity 4 in your maths book and question number 2 or activity 4 in your maths notebook. Complete your activity 4 in your maths book and notebook. Be safe. Please take care of yourselves. We will meet soon. Till then.